Hello friends, greetings from Iceland, from the volcano, from the eruption side. Is 10:30 in the evening, 4th of August, and we are still here. It's probably my last footage before I go home. This is how volcano looks in the evening when it got a little bit darker. And then you can see the shine from the volcano. You see it. So still shining like a lamp, and during polar nights here you see, and shooting lava maybe to 10-20 meters height in between. We filmed pretty nice lava jets during the live broadcast recently, and but there is no really lava lake inside. It's just a hole, a tube that shoots lava up. I saw it from a drone, and also there is no hot lava all around. It's just well, there are some spillovers, but very few here and there. This is how it looks all around. There really nothing happening to the south. All looks to be cold, but I'm sure it's hot under. But there are no really lava flows advancing on the edges. It's just, I think this is probably the final view of the lava fields. What it flooded, it will probably remain like this for the next thousands years. And here you see lava, hot lava to the edges, a little bit here, and there, and there. Like at night, it's especially well visible over there and there, like in several places all over. And this is the volcano itself. 20 times zoom. Yeah, you see it shoots those lava, small lava jets, and a lot of smoke. Really a lot of smoke visible in the night. Kind of pinkish bluish smoke. Still many people at 10:30 in the night. This is my last video, and then I hike home. Shout out the people. So people do visit the volcanoes. They come here. Parking was full when I arrived there at I think 4 o'clock. I came there. It was full. I had difficulties to park the car. Most people are here to the west of the mountain because there is less winter. People escape from cold wind, hiding here. So volcano is erupting. We can't really state that it is dead. It is not dead, but nearly dead. Very short-lived eruption. Looks like it still might go for a few days, maybe like this, before it shuts off. But you never know. It might go on like this for months. 2. Some explosions. I heard some explosion now. Because there is something going on there. It's not very interesting how it will end. There was like explosion. I could hear it. The first sound of today I heard like explosive sound. Okay, now you can see. Okay, that is pretty nice. Some jets are pretty nice. Okay, now they are getting bigger. So this is how Iceland looks today. There you see more people on the mountain. Almost fires had been stopped, as you see, by the rain. There are no more moss fires. It's all over because there came a lot of rain today in the morning and also in the night, and it stopped all the moss fires. All the best. Greetings from Iceland.